So my brother's been requesting this for a while, and it's time I do it. And it's buffalo wings. Make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. Super excited. I haven't even told my brother, but one of the local hospitals over here has donated, KFC has donated a lump sum of money. Did you hear about that?
No, I didn't hear. I didn't know. Why didn't you tell me?
I'm telling you right now. Okay. So they ended up, KFC ended up donating a lump sum of money to open up, they have the East Wing, they have the West Wing. They're going to open up a chicken wing. I cracked myself up for joke, by the way. KFC didn't donate nothing. Today we're doing chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings, especially for my brother. He absolutely loves chicken wings. Let's get started. All right, to start off, I have the drums already washed, cut up. I washed it with a little bit of vinegar. I chopped it up into the drumlets and the actual wings, and I saved a couple so I can show you how I did that. So pretty much you have this little piece. I don't know, do you know what they call this?
No, I have
this little thingy? The wing? I don't know. The extended one. So anyways, you find the joint, right? That little joint right there. Sharp knife, slice it through. These you can keep for stock. And then this part right here, slice it down, find the joint again. Go ahead, slice. And voila. You have two parts. Drumlets and the actual wing.
They also call them flats.
Did you Google that?
No. I always ask for flats when I get wings.
No, he's a professional at wings. He's always eating buffalo wings. Always.
Yeah, people give me crap for it too.
But you can't find my brother. Where's he at? He's at the nearest hot wings place.
And what sauce do I get? Buffalo.
Buffalo. Let me wipe down the board with a little bit of bleach and water. All right, so this is how the seasoning before we fry goes. A couple of pinches of salt. Same with the black pepper. A couple of pinches. I'm also gonna put some cumin, which is 1 teaspoon. This is gonna add a little deeper flavor. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And now we're gonna go ahead and mix. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, put it in the fridge at least an hour, and then we'll come back, we'll start frying. We have our oil ramped up to about 361 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and start frying. Beautiful. Go ahead and keep adding. With the wings, they really don't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and check our oil one more time, because as we put in, the temperature is gonna drop. So we wanna kind of maintain that 350-ish degrees. Right now we're sitting at about, right there, 345. Should be good. Let's go ahead and take these out. Look at that color, beautiful. Go ahead and set this on the tray. Nope. All right, so it's time to make the sauce, guys. I'm really excited about the sauce, and it's really simple and really easy. So I have my pot hot. Half a stick of butter goes in. All right, we're gonna let that melt a little bit, and then we're gonna introduce your favorite sauce, and I'm gonna bring in Mr. Frank. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and use. My brother loves it. I love it. And then this is my brother's favorite part, where he's gonna go ahead and chow down. He can't wait. All right, so butter's melted. Your favorite hot sauce. In this case, Mr. Frank is gonna join. I'm gonna put about half a cup of the sauce. Just like that. And to it, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic powder.
I didn't know your eyes had like measuring.
Yeah, when you do it for so long. Yeah.
Or is it your glasses?
Or I could go like that and put it in my hand. I can tell you, pretty much. One of the guys, I forget his name, corrected me.
I think it's Rick Purcell.
Was it Rick? Yeah.
Rick Purcell.
Thank you, Rick. That was really funny. He said it's called, I was having trouble pronouncing it, just like a lot of people do. And he said it's called, what's this here sauce? What's this here sauce? So again, teaspoon, just to give it a little different flavor. And then I'm just gonna let it simmer, and it's gonna lose a little bit of the moisture from it, and it's gonna thicken just a little bit. But again, the Worcestershire sauce. What's this here sauce? Worcestershire sauce is obviously optional. So we'll wait for this to kind of simmer down, and we'll go ahead and do the holy matrimony and join the sauce and the wing together. Okay, look at this carefully, guys. From that top camera, look down, and it's just barely simmering. A little bit of the bloop, blip, blip, blip, just the bubbles, the little bloop, bloop, bloop, bloop. Obviously, you don't want it to boil. So I think for me, this is perfect timing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Mr. Wings, meet Mr. Frank Sauce. Go ahead and drizzle that all over. Holy moly.
All the buffalo sauce.
Oh, ooh, it's strong too. It's nice. Oi, oi. Okay, look at that, nicely coated.
Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful, huh?
That looks amazing.
All right, we're just gonna go the old-fashioned way. I got my tweezers,
Oh my god.
tweezers, my tweezers. Go ahead and start plating them. Well, I'm like, I'm drooling.
It's freezing, so hurry up.
It is.
They're gonna get cold.
You put a couple of these. Da-da-da, like soldiers, just stand them up. Dun, da-da-da. Come on, stand up.
Yeah. You're plating like a professional over here.
Yeah. You want to eat some?
I'm dying over here.
I know. We'll have some right now. I'll leave 2 in there so we could have one. Dun, da-da-da, dun, dun-da-da-da-da-da. All right, here. You ready?
Amazing, yeah.
Which one you want? The drum or the wing?
Flat.
Mm-mm-mm.
Cheers.
Cheers. Why'd you get the flat?
You like the flat better?
No, go. Ooh.
Dude, that's amazing.
Oh my God. You want ranch?
No, I don't eat it with ranch.
You don't?
It ruins the flavor of the buffalo, the whole point.
Well, there you have it, guys. Buffalo wings, homemade, easy, simple, pretty fast, with ranch dressing and some celery. How much better can you get?
Where's the carrots?
Well, I don't care about it.
You don't care about it?
So go ahead, guys. Give it a try. Really simple. If you guys are having a game night, friends over, throw these in the fryer. You guys have yourself a great snack. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Sean. And until next time, don't forget. Oh, by the way, you can find us on Instagram at the Garlic and Butter Guy, and also GMBG, right?
GMBguide.com.
GMBguy.com is our website. So
Still working on it.
Still working on it, yeah. But follow us on Instagram, and let's stay connected. Give us a like, and don't forget to ring-a-dingle that bell. And I'm going to show you guys how I've actually been doing. Some chili peppers. Chili peppers. No. Chili powder. Bada boom, bada bing, bam, bam. No. Asor ki sen teknik şahs. Asi trik trak la. İnce agam. Çesken argor chicken and fry ne. Bet kertas Kentucky. More Kentucky Fried Chicken in there.